get batteries, then we get those grinders going again.
Do it as quickly as possible. The lightning storms are quite dangerous, particularly to organic beings.
This has got to be a battery dispenser.
Power it up and keep the robots away from it. They will try to destroy any power source they detect.
Now this is why I'm the...
Finally, a challenge.
I am unstoppable. Turn it. There's a battery. Now we just need to grind.
Does anyone know what that is? I feel like we should have been warned about this. Who wants it first?
There, a grinder. That is what we need.
Get a battery into it.
Now, drive it.
Seriously? Who's building these things? Maybe they want to be friends. Whoa, where'd they all come from? Finally, a challenge. Now this should be good for a laugh. I feel like we should have been warned about this. Now this is why I'm the star of the team.
Hope you were all watching
down.
Hope you were all watching that.
Robots are overrated. Even the scrapyard won't take that. Now this is just getting ridiculous. I can't stand paparazzi. Well, those are new. Now this is just getting ridiculous. What the hell is that?
The grinder will continue automatically now, but you should not remain there any longer than you have to.
Robots! Lightning! I mean dangerous.
Here's where we earn the big money. I can handle this.
These batteries should have plenty of power to get the grinders where they need to go.
Follow the signals I have sent.
When is it my turn to drive?
These don't look friendly. Turn into bolts!
Turn into bolts and cut. Never trust them.
These don't look friendly. What the hell is that? I got bullets for everyone! Hold this it.
Good idea. The lightning will get heavier before it subsides.
Thanks. Maybe they want to be friends. Well, those are new. Now this is just getting ridiculous. Watch and learn, people. These don't look friendly. I got bullets for everyone! Do we get extra for this? Yep. You have become garbage! The machine is gone, yet the Duke is still here. Seriously? Who's building these things? Hey, those were not in the brochure. We won! Happy time! The machine is gone, yet the Duke is still here.
We didn't get struck by lightning or anything.
I love you guys!